people read Proverbs 31 and think it's just describing a good wife. But if you read it carefully, you will discover something shocking. Proverbs 31 is actually teaching wealth creation. The Bible is not just a spiritual book. It is also a kingdom economic manual. Today, I will show you 7 wealth building skills hidden in Proverbs 31 that many Christians have never noticed. And when you see them, you will realize God never designed his people to live small lives. Welcome to Kingdom DNA Academy, and I am Mirabel. Here, we teach the principles that help believers discover their identity, unlock purpose, and walk in kingdom influence. Today, we are opening Proverbs 31, 10 to 31. Most people see a housewife, but God is actually describing a kingdom builder, an investor, an entrepreneur, and a wealth creator. Skill number 1, character capital. Proverbs 31 verse 10 says, "A woman of noble character, who can find? She is worth far more than rubies." The first wealth principle is character. Before God gives wealth, he builds character. He needs to be sure of the person he is handing that wealth to, because money in the hands of a corrupt person becomes destruction. But money in the hands of a righteous person becomes kingdom impact. Your reputation is your first currency. People trust you with opportunities because of your character. Skill number 2, trustworthiness. Proverbs 31 verse 11 says, "Her husband has full confidence in her." Notice this. She was trusted with responsibility. That's the first. And next, trust attracts resources. When people trust you, doors open, partnerships form, opportunities multiply. Many people pray for wealth, but wealth follows trustworthiness. Skill number 3, productivity. Verse 13 says, "She works with eager hands." She was not lazy. She was productive. The kingdom principle is simple. Wealth flows toward value creators. If you create value, the world will pay you for it. Skill number 4, global thinking. Verse 14 says, "She is like merchant ships, bringing her food from afar." This means she sourced goods from different places. She understood different markets. She understood trade. Today, this looks like international business, online commerce, global sourcing. The Proverbs 31 woman had market awareness. Skill number 5, time discipline. Time management. Verse 15 says, "She rises while it is still night." Successful people respect time. Time is the only resource God gave equally to everyone, but not everyone uses time wisely. She was intentional with her day. Morning discipline produces long-term success. In the morning, she did something. In the evening, she did something. In the afternoon, she did something. So you need to be wise with your time. Skill number 6, investment thinking. Verse 16 says, "She considers a field and buys it." This is very powerful. She did not only work, she invested. She evaluated land. She purchased assets. This is real estate thinking. The Bible is not against wealth. The Bible actually teaches asset ownership, which we find in this woman. Skill number 7, entrepreneurship. The same verse says, "Out of her earnings, she plants a vineyard." She reinvested her profits. A vineyard produces income for years, not just one time, for many years. That means she built systems that produce wealth. This is entrepreneurship. And This is where most people stop reading, but Proverbs 31 continues, and it reveals even more powerful wealth principles. In part 2, I will show you the remaining skills, which include business intelligence, financial awareness, influence and leadership, and the ultimate goal of wealth legacy. If this teaching opened your eyes, type in the comment section, Kingdom Wealth. And if you want more teachings like this, subscribe to Kingdom DNA Academy, because here we are raising kingdom builders, not just church attendees. I will see you in part 2. Thank you, and God bless you in Jesus' name.